Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy Core Plus, and today I will show you how to access the recovery mode on the device. So we'll start off by powering off the phone, hold the power key, and select power off. Now once the device shuts off, we will hold volume up, power key, and home button together. So let's do that. Basically, power key, volume up, and home button. Now once you see the Samsung Galaxy Core logo, you can let go of the keys. And we're now in recovery mode. From here you can navigate using the volume up and down keys and confirm your selection with power key. And you can do a couple of things from here. You can wipe data, reboot the device, shut it off, wipe cache partition, and update from ADB or external storage. Just gonna select reboot system now and confirm it with the power key. And now the device will boot back up to the normal Android. And as you can see, we're back into the normal Android. So that is basically how you enter and also exit the recovery mode. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.